all, welcome to this lecture video on the cloud computing. In the computing, we have the virtualization system. In the today's presentation, going to discuss about the virtualization system. In this virtualization system, there are few concepts behind the virtualization. What is hypervisor? What is virtualization lifecycle management? Virtualization layer and architecture. There are different types of virtualization, right? For example, full, para, and hardware assisted virtualization. And also we have resource allocation scheduling in virtualization, how the security in virtualization environment providing, and also performance and overhead analysis behind the virtualization. Application and use case of virtualization also we're going to discuss today. So in this concept we have the virtualization. Generally we have the cloud model method used in the virtualization. It's have application, operation system, and also contains a virtual machine. So VM model, in this picture we can able to see the infrastructure and also network storage. In between the cloud model we have VM machines will connected with the virtual infrastructure and network and storage. So this is a basic cloud model virtualization using the virtualized model given in the architecture picture. So in that next we going to see what are the different types of virtualization. We all know the virtualization plays a vital role in the cloud computing. So in that it helps to store, serve different types. The first type is data virtualization, and second is the application virtualization, and also we have we having the desktop virtualization, and also network virtualization and storage virtualization we are using. So in that we have server virtualization we are using. So in that there are different types of virtualization: data, application, desktop, network. These kind of different types of virtualization helping in the virtualization concepts. So in that next thing we have the hypervisor. In generally we have the types 1, type 2. In generally we have VM machines, hypervisor and hardware. So the type 2 have host OS, and also the type 1 have only the hypervisor and hardware. VM with consist of hardware things present in the virtual machines. So in that virtual machine lifecycle management, we have the lifecycle manage virtual machine. Generally in the picture we can able to see the first one is the planning and assessment. Generally in the planning plays a vital role, is a basic first step. The second step is the deployment and configuration. After deploying we have the monitor and managing the entire virtual machines. The next step we are going to think is we have to maintain and update what are the new updates we are having. Then next is the performance optimization, and also you have a scalability and resource management. That is a step 6. And the next step move on to the security measures and compliance. Whatever the compliance taken, that could be taken as considered for the lifecycle management virtual machine, and also user support and communication. So what are the user support from the user? Some user will give some feedback and also providing some support to manage this virtual machine lifecycle, virtual machines wherever we can use. So these are the lifecycle and management architecture picture we can able to see in the lifecycle diagram in the slide. The next we are moving to virtualization layers and architecture. Layers will have application management and also infrastructure management. This can be available and secure and scalable one, and also on-premises cloud and also off-premises cloud. So .NET, SAS, Windows and Linux, desktop and applications, etc. Virtualization layers and architecture we having these kind of process. So the next is architectural comparison, full virtualization, and also the different types: full, para and hardware assist. So the full virtualization is nothing but we having the different rings we having. Full virtualization plays a host computer, and also the comparison between full and para virtualization, user application, and the para which guest OS will be included. And in the hardware assist, there might be some kind of guest OS hardware will be included, host computer system hardware. So these kind of full, para and hardware assist can be compared used in the full virtualization, para virtualization, and hardware assist things. The next is resource allocation and scheduling virtualization. And the cloud providers generally will have some demand. Based on demand, the cloud brokerage will optimize the algorithm, will help you to provide the cloud providers with a help of virtual machine. It's in the present in the right corner. So this about the virtualization scheduling and resource allocation in the virtualization methods. So thanks for watching. We can move it to the next topic in the benefits and other things we can discuss in the next class, next video presentation in the lecture video. Thanks for watching. I hope you all understand about the virtualization and the concept of virtualization behind the used in the cloud computing and the different types of cloud virtualization used, and also we have the different applications using virtualization used in the. Thanks for watching. Thank you all.